So I got this new primer from Revolution. I got this at Ulta. It's the Pore Blur. I haven't used this yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this today. So it looks like this. Comes in a little tube, and it's kind of creamy. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's weird. I think I put too much. So I mean, let's see if it works. I'm also sick, guys, so it's probably why I look so washed out right now as well. Been sick for a couple of days, but I have a little bit of energy today, so excuse the look. I'm also doing like a different background once again, so don't mind the background. Just trying to figure out different spots, and you know, so work with me. Okay, so now that I did the primer, I also put the Leanne's sleeping mask on right now. I mean, I don't really like using it overnight. Don't like feeling anything on my face, but I just put it on right now to give my lips some moist. Estée Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This is how the packaging looks, and this is how it looks. It's cute, it's small. What I know is it doesn't have a pump, but I mean, will do. And I got the color 1 and 2, so hopefully this matches me. I also got this one at Ulta. I heard good things about this foundation, and I'm gonna be going to a baby shower soon, so it's gonna be a lot of pictures and stuff, and I hear this is really good. Like, people use this for their weddings or like events and stuff. So, and I mean, I feel like it matches me perfectly. So far, I like the look. I feel that it's full coverage on my end, because I don't really like a whole full coverage kind of, so it's like medium to full. It feels light, doesn't feel so heavy. I'm looking down because I have my mirror down here too. I have dry skin, and as of right now, it doesn't look so bad. For being a matte finish, it actually looks really nice on my skin. I'm loving this right now. Okay, so let's find out. This is how the packaging looks. It's very sleek. And I got the color Emit 1. Oh, this is cute. It reminds me of the Maybelline concealer, the little puffy thing. So it's a twist. It looks so weird. Okay. I'm gonna start with a little bit just because I don't know. It feels good, it feels light. I can already tell it might not fully cover everything, but it's okay, I guess. We'll see. If anything, I'll add my tape shape over. It's not my fave. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tape shape and go. So yeah, this is how I like my under eyes to look. I'm gonna go ahead and set this. So I used the Fenty setting powder in the color Butter in my beauty blender and just bake a little bit. I usually do my eyes before I put on my face, but today I felt like doing something different. I hope I don't regret it. So I did order the Jacklyn Hill palette volume 2, and I just got it yesterday. It's pretty packaging. It's very pretty. I like it. Use certified and put it just all over the lid. I'm also gonna get Perfectionist and do the same. I actually love this color. Just gonna go and put this all over the lid. This section here. I'm gonna go in with Love Handles. There is fallout, but I mean, I never really care for fallout. I feel like every shadow has fallout. It's not a big deal. And I'm just gonna go in and just place it here. Sorry if you do see me looking down, I have my mirror down here. GH40 and use the color Feeling Myself. And just pack it on in the outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and grab Love Handles again and just go on top. And just blend. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my concealer and do, as I said, I have errands to do, so I don't have time to take this off and do it again. So I'm just gonna improvise. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just put this right here. I'm in it under the brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure I took off all the dust off my face. I know I look crazy, but it's okay. I'll make this work. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face with the usual, with my Kat Von D shade in light. And I'm just gonna pick up the color because I already hit pan. I'm hitting pan on the other color. And I'm also gonna use this NYX Ombre Blush. And I'm gonna use the top corner with the light one. I'm gonna go ahead and just alrighty. And I'm gonna go and use my Nars Orgasm blush, and I'm gonna get my stippling brush that I found on TJ's, this 401. It's a little dirty, sorry. Found this one at TJ's, and if you guys want to know how much I got it for, check out my other video. But this was a steal. I got this for $3.99, guys, at TJ's. I love going there now. I always go to the makeup section. Don't really buy too much of their makeup products. It all depends what I find, because for some reason where I live, my area, people are so mean. They'll destroy the products. Okay, kind of want to fix this one a little bit more. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Okay. I got this from the Becca G collection of, but I mean, I'm gonna go do my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so excuse me, as I said, I was sick. Please don't mind the noise outside. Those are my kids playing. So this is my final look. I went ahead and finished it off camera, put my eyelashes and my liner, and yeah, so far I'm loving everything. The only one I really just have like a slight issue with from the palette, from the Jacklyn Hill Volume 2 palette, is the fact that the Talia color, I don't know if you guys can see it, it like got all mushy, and then like the color wasn't picking up as it was in the first place. But I mean, and my brush wasn't wet, my finger obviously wasn't wet either. But other than that, so far I do love the rest of the colors that I did use. Sorry guys. Like I said, I'm still don't know what I have. I think I just have a cold that doesn't want to go away. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you would like to see more of these type of videos, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.